Now in Java, they have this thing called a dynamic proxy. And the idea of a dynamic proxy is you can choose any number of interfaces that you want. And you can have Java create a little fake class for you and actually do this at runtime. And this little fake class implements all those interfaces so that somebody on the outside can call any of those methods, and this little fake class will do something about it. Now the question is, what do you do about it? When this thing is being created, there's no code, right? Well, what we do is we write a little piece of code called an invocation handler. And this invocation handler gets passed a method object, which is defined in Java Reflection to tell you which one of these methods is being called. He also gets passed in the proxy, this little guy who's the dotted line guy. So just in case you need to know what object was the target of the call, you can actually talk to that object. As opposed to inside here, if you use the word this, you're just talking about this actual instance of the invocation handler. Sometimes you need this guy, and we'll see an example of that in a little bit. Okay, and you're also passed in an array of arguments. All you need to be able to call a method. And in our case for logging, we have everything we need now to be able to log the method very nicely as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to define an invocation handler that says when I get a method, log it, and then call it. And then we're going to create this proxy instance to return. So what we're going to do here is say return new proxy. Whoops. Dot, come here. Oops, wrong one.